Very good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
This is the 8th foundation day of our college, and today's chief guest, Colonel Jitendra Kumar sir. He is here to bless all of us. Sir, we welcome you on behalf of entire faculty, management and my students. Our own management committee member, Shri Mavil Kothari sir. Sir, we welcome you. And director and secretary sir, Shri Subhash Agarwal sir, he is always here to bless us with his words and vision which we people are following with. Dear children, Foundation Day is basically the birthday of any institution, and birth comes place when there is some vision. In case of any institution when it is being established, we have to see the people, those who are founding it. You all are aware that we belong to a group which is known for its generosity and wide vision. I am proud of saying that we people are part of this group which is known as RK Marble Group. People have been talking to us when we talk about Kishangarh, the first name comes, okay, RK Marble City. People were saying once, okay, we know Kishangarh with the name RK Marble City. So that is what actually in future also we believe that people should know that this is the RK College City. RK College City should get its fame and name as compared to other institutions, other industries which are available here in Kishangarh. If you think about that, what exactly this institution is serving to, we can simply see that the infrastructure, the quality of facilities and the quality of education which is being imparted here are world class. We people are very proud of saying that whatsoever we people are seeing here and the facilities we are enjoying here are nowhere matched with any other institute in particularly Jaipur and Rajasthan I have visited anywhere. So what we have to say that it's a big thank you to the management, it's a big thank you to the people of this city, those who have allowed us to establish this sort of best quality institution. What message I would like to convey to all of you is that we should not take things to be taken granted. Look, actually the quality of infrastructure and the quality of education you people are having here. You must realize and feel grateful to the college, feel grateful to the management, feel grateful to the all stakeholders, those who are providing services here, because such things are really very rare. When you visit other places, you will come to know that with very small amount of fee, the very economical fee you people are affording, and the quality and the facilities you are getting are nowhere at par with it. So without taking much time, I would like to announce one more thing today. Is very auspicious day for all of us, that this is the 123rd birth anniversary of our Pitamay, Shri Baba Saheb Ratanlal Ji Shri Ratanlal Ji Patni sir. And we all know that most of the good works are being done by this group is always on 10th of September. So 10th of September is a very auspicious day. 10th of September is a day which we cannot forget, and 10th of September we have to celebrate such as it is a festival. One more thing, today we are going to announce soon that we have our own Kulgeet of our college. Kulgeet is basically the theme song of our college, the USP of our college, which we would like to launch today in front of all of you, and with the blessings of our chief guest and the management committee members, those who are here to launch today the Kulgeet of our college. And you would certainly love it, because the Kulgeet has been written by our own Shri Ukam sir. He is the director of and this has been recorded and edited and further sung by the renowned singer Shri Gaurav Jain, and some of the students of our college also have given their voices, and this has become a very, very melodious song, and you would certainly love it, like it, and would certainly recite it whenever there is an opportunity to sing for. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.